Our client's 2022 BMW 330i just came back to us after an accident repair. The carbon fiber hood you're looking at now, we protected it with Icon Rocklear months ago, and even after daily driving it, it still looks as good as the day he got it done. You can see how Rocklear enhances that carbon fiber weave with that glass-like finish. Not only does it look incredible, but it's completely protected from UV damage now. Unfortunately, not every carbon fiber part gets this kind of protection.
So right there on the spoiler, I'm not too sure how long he's had it on the car for, but if I were to guess, the manufacturer of this did not use very good clear coat when they put it on top of the carbon fiber, and exposure to sun over time will essentially cause this to start peeling. So that is already happening here. Once we reach the point where it is peeling, Rocklear will not do anything about this because the material is flaking off like dead skin already. So if you want to prevent it from getting sun damage, you got two options. Number one is PPF, and number two is putting on Rocklear. That's why right after he got this hood, he came in with the entire car so we could do the paint and the hood all together. And now this is not going to fade or yellow because the Rocklear has UV inhibitors inside of it. They're going to protect it.
Esmond's actually back with us today because of a recent accident. Fortunately, he is okay, but the fender and bumper that we had previously applied Icon Rocklear to needed another reapplication. And here's something that most people don't know. A lot of major insurance companies, when you file a claim, will cover the cost of reimbursing you for services like tint, ceramic coating, PPF, and Rocklear.
So while he's here to get these both replaced, I also noticed that when we applied Icon Rocklear to this hood, there were a few things I wanted to clean up for him while he's already in. So let's take a closer look here and show you what I'm talking about. So right around here, when you look really, really closely, you can kind of see that there is kind of like a streak mark, a few little bit of lines coming up this way. And they're pretty much in sections like this. And this is expected. We knew this was likely going to happen on a hood of this caliber. So I'm going to explain the reason why by showing you. First, I'll go ahead and equip my applicator. So this isn't the one that we normally use for Rocklear, but I'm just going to use this for demonstration purposes because it's the correct shape. So we have our microfiber applicator. I put some Rocklear on here. When we're applying it on this, we have to go down and then back up. But what happens is that when we're, let me fold this up. When we're going this direction, like here, we have to stop because I hit this, of course, and then I have to go up and exit. So when I go up and exit this way, that is a really quick, rapid directional change, and sometimes it lays down a little bit too much Rocklear, and it kind of causes it to pull up and leave a little bit of these marks. But this is a very simple fix, and also why it is critical for us to come back and do that follow-up inspection so we can go ahead and clean these up for our client, especially on really, really complex hoods like this. Everywhere else that it's flat, it pretty much lay down like glass. But over there in those crevices, it's going to be a little bit more cleanup. So the two things that I'm going to need to fix this are going to be my soapy water and sandpaper. So I have 3000 grit here. I don't need a huge piece, so we're going to tear off a little bit. I'm going to fold that over. I'm going to mist it a little bit to get it started. And I'm just going to lightly sand the area to level out this Rocklear. All right, now that I'm all done, let's go take a closer look at the areas that I took care of. So the first one was right over there. Then over here. And then a little bit over here and here. So just a little bit of 3K wet sanding, and then afterwards using the polishing compound to remove the sanding marks. That's all it takes to take care of any application lines or streaks on really complex crevices or curves for an Icon Rocklear install after it has had a chance to fully cure. We did this car several months ago, so absolutely no problems there. But if I tried to attempt sanding it after a fresh application, I would just end up ripping the entire coating straight off. Now we got a nice streak-free finish on this, and he doesn't have to worry about the carbon fiber hood yellowing or peeling. So we're going to finish up this insurance claim job for him by getting the Rocklear on this freshly painted bumper and fender here, and then we'll show you some showroom shots of the finished car. Whether it's protecting carbon fiber from UV damage or removing application marks during a follow-up inspection, attention to detail is what sets a quality Rocklear installation apart. If you're in the Bay Area and want to get your car protected, get in touch with us using the link in the description down below. And if you'd like to see more cars getting the Dragon Auto treatment, then click the video on screen over here. Once again, my name is Noah, founder and co-owner of Dragon Auto, and I will catch you in the next one.